Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is a VR shout out to Ali Carroll. She's currently doing a 200 subscriber push giveaway right now. So I wanted to do a little VR, to help spread the word, build our community up a little bit more. I actually just recently subbed to her, so I did it over just past weekend. Today's Monday. I thought I was subbed to her before, but I wasn't. I don't know, YouTube. Sometimes they'll just unsub people, so that's my bad. I'll take the hit on that one. I think it was just me not paying attention. But yeah, I'll link her channel down below, and head on over, give her a sub, enter her giveaway, and appreciate it as always. And thanks for watching as always, and have a good one.